Yo, what is up, my Skibbity Ohio Rizzlers? Viva La Defida, bringing you the high quality tent as always. That means content for all you boomers out there.
Did that deep guttural cringe.
Speaking of which, boom, there's Glack in the
Howdy,
vlog
howdy.
today. We're going to Best Buy. Midnight release of the Switch 2. So yeah, Glack and I both got pre-orders from Best Buy here. We just hit up the B-dubs with the fam. And we're going to get the pickups here. This is the line for people who are getting the like walk-in purchases. They have a limited amount of stock available, but Glack and I have them reserved. So, yo, here we are with Weston Peace and Mitchell getting their consoles. So they joined the line for the walk-in, but you're guaranteed a console. Is that right?
It's looking like it.
Huge happenings. But yeah, we'll keep you posted. Weston, very talented, 8 Deluxe player. You carded up? Well, that's all right. There'll be other games on this system eventually, hopefully. It is midnight right now. Best Buy is not normally open at midnight. There's hundreds of people here that everyone leaving between now and 2 a.m. is going to have a brand new $500 video game console. And we have this inconspicuous little work van chilling in the parking lot with its headlights on, just watching the line of people. So we did finally get into Best Buy. We're here with Chelsea helping us out, keeping everything running tonight.
Yes, sir.
How many people do you think you've had to help tonight?
So far, I've helped probably like 50.
Wow. All right, keeping things to it. Move in, shout out to her. Essential worker. Glack got his as well.
Needs bundle.
Yeah, the bundle, the box looks the same as the other ones. Yeah. Here we go. Here's a little setup they have, all the accessories. If you want to buy a Nintendo Switch alarm clock, it's $100. Yeah. I don't think I'm getting anything else tonight because the controllers are backwards compatible, but still cool stuff. So here we are, packages secured, leaving Best Buy. Next footage you'll see will be our unboxing. Yeah, so here we go right here, Switch 2 unboxing. We're gonna time lapse this.
All right.
So, does this one have the little light on the front too? Like
Yeah, it
the first
does.
one? Okay.
So it's on right now.
Oh,
hey,
yo.
Nintendo Switch 2. Immediately it's telling me, no, you don't put it in the dock.
It's like, get it out.
Oh, it said what?
It's saying that he needs to set it up in hand.
Here we go.
Uh,
You need to set it up in handheld mode.
Okay.
Massive.
Let's see.
Hold on. We want a little
English.
size comparison.
We're in the Americas.
Hold on. Little size comparison.
Oh yeah, there we go.
Here we go. There's the old. There's the new. Wow. You're right. It is much larger. All right. It's connected
So we are
to our Wi-Fi.
on the internet about to download update data. There were a lot of people saying there was like a day one balance, or not balance, a day one system upgrade, and that is true. Apparently we're downloading that right now. I believe that it has to do with anti-theft, so nobody could actually play until they until it was actually released worldwide. All right. After we got home, I don't even know what time, but we probably spent an hour to 90 minutes setting up the console and doing the system transfer that makes you do the system transfer as soon as you open it, or else you can't do it ever again. And then it turns out that it's okay that we waited so long, because then once we finally got into the eShop, Mario Kart World wouldn't download right away. And now, after about 3 a.m., it is available for download. We're downloading it very slowly right there.